Before revelation descended, before the Quran was heard, before the world knew his name, Allah was already preparing him, not in palaces, not through power, not through wealth, but through loss, through patience, through quiet formation. Long before he would carry the message of Islam to humanity, his heart was being shaped, his character refined, and his reputation established among his people. The world would later see a messenger, but long before that, Allah was preparing the man.
First, orphaned yet protected. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, was born in Mecca into the tribe of Quraysh, but his life began without the protection most children have. His father, Abdullah, passed away before he was born. When he was only 6 years old, his mother, Amina, also passed away. By the age of 6, he was an orphan. Allah later reminded him of this blessing in the Quran. Did he not find you an orphan and give you refuge? Quran 9:3-6. After his mother's death, he lived under the care of his grandfather, Abd al-Muttalib. But only 2 years later, his grandfather also passed away. Now fully orphaned, Muhammad, peace be upon him, came under the care of his uncle, Abu Talib. Abu Talib was not wealthy, but he protected his nephew with loyalty, love, and sacrifice. Through this life of loss, Allah taught the Prophet, peace be upon him, patience, humility, and reliance upon him alone. There was no inheritance to depend on, no power to lean on, only trust in Allah. Second, protected from corruption. Mecca at that time was immersed in idol worship, tribal arrogance, alcohol, and immorality. Yet Allah protected Muhammad, peace be upon him, from these practices before revelation ever began. He never bowed to an idol, he never drank alcohol, he never participated in immoral gatherings. On one occasion in his youth, he intended to attend a wedding gathering like other young men of Mecca, but Allah caused him to fall asleep before reaching it. He never attended such gatherings afterward. Allah was shielding him step by step. Third, the Amīn, the trustworthy. As he grew into a young man, his character became widely known throughout Quraysh. He was truthful in speech, gentle in manner, fair in judgment, trustworthy in every dealing. The people of Mecca gave him a title, Al-Amīn, the trustworthy. They entrusted him with their wealth when traveling. They sought his judgment in disputes. They trusted his word without hesitation. This reputation was not built in a day. It was earned through years of honesty, consistency, and integrity. Even those who would later oppose his message never accused him of lying. Fourth, the Black Stone, a test of leadership. When Quraysh rebuilt the Kaaba, they disagreed over who should place the Black Stone back in its position. Tensions rose to the point of violence. They finally agreed to accept the judgment of the first man who entered the sanctuary. That man was Muhammad, peace be upon him. When they saw him, they said, "This is Al-Amīn. We accept his judgment." His solution satisfied every tribe and prevented bloodshed. This was not coincidence, this was preparation. Fifth, the school of patience, shepherd and merchant. He worked as a shepherd in his youth, learning patience, responsibility, and care for others. Later, he worked as a merchant, becoming known for honesty and fairness in trade. Even before prophethood, people noticed that there was something different about him. He did not chase status. He did not seek leadership. He did not engage in the rivalries of Quraysh. Finally, withdrawal before revelation. As he approached the age of 40, he began withdrawing from society more frequently, not out of hatred for people, but out of discomfort with falsehood and corruption. His heart was being prepared for truth. Allah was shaping a man who would be trusted when he spoke, believed when he warned, and followed when he led. The world saw a quiet, trustworthy young man. Allah was preparing a messenger, and soon that preparation would give way to revelation.